Hey guys, how's it going? This is Karol Fule from Undisputed Market, and if you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research on how to build a high converting landing page. So in this video, we're going to dive deep into this topic and we're going to actually talk about this topic, how to build this, but more of it, we're going to talk about how to build the high converting whole process system in order for you to get those leads, those conversions, and at the end of the journey, new customers for your business. So right from the start, I want you to understand that landing page, no matter how great or how high converting it is, it's still a part of a bigger process, right? There is a whole process behind getting those leads and getting the customers in it. And there is I don't want you to fall into this lie of having a high converting landing page suddenly gives you tons and tons of leads and not changing any other parts. Just by changing landing page, you can suddenly have really tons of subscribers and tons of leads when previously you didn't have any of those leads. That's not really what is the truth, because landing page is really a part of a bigger process. Don't get me wrong, it's very important to have a high converting landing page. In fact, it is one of the musts every business should focus on, but it's not only about that. It's not that magical thing that would suddenly make create that kind of a huge difference in your business. It's really part of the process, and if you don't look at the other parts, then no matter how great your landing page will be, it's still a landing page that will lead to not great products or not great offer, and so on and so on. So when we are talking about the whole process, whole system of high converting landing page or high converting process, we need to look at the whole journey of your customer, of your viewer, of your visitor, right? If you want to say so. So first of all, we gotta think, what is the first step a customer gets attention or gets aware of when it comes to your business? It's literally the offer you're offering. So you're basically promoting your offer, right? And in this way, you make the customers aware of yourself or of your business or your business opportunity, whatever it is you're offering, right? So the first step is literally the customer's awareness of your offer. And now, this is the part where many people fail because we don't really put too much attention to this part, and it's literally the first impression of your customer, your viewer, that really gets the advantage to your business. And so you gotta think about how you are presenting your offer to your potential clients, right? Are you many people are just, if you are in affiliate marketing, let's say, right, which is for example my case, then many people in affiliate marketing, when they are starting, they are just spamming their links all over Facebook, and that's literally the first impression of those people who might be potentially their customers. And to be honest with you, probably nobody buys anything from somebody who is just spamming those links all over the place, right? So you gotta think about how you can or how you want to present yourself, your business, to your potential clients, right? And the next thing is basically, what is your offer? And that is literally part of the promotion, part of the way how you promote your business. So what is your offer? What value are you giving to your potential customers, right? Because that is literally what brings the attention of that customer to your business, to your offer. What is the solution you are giving them? What is the solution, or what problem are you giving them a solution for, right? Literally, it is called a hook, right? Or a power hook, or simply just an offer of what you are going to solve for this particular person. And that is literally everything is done even before the customer enters your landing page. So it's very, very important to give them, to master this part of the business, because by mastering this, you will get even more traffic to your landing page, right? So it's very, very important. Now, the second part is actually the landing page. And now the landing page is a very, very important part of the whole process. And the way how to create a high converting landing page is basically to, first of all, keep it simple and clear. By this, I mean basically don't use too many confusion factors on your landing page. So that means use, very, very simple things. By that I mean, for example, use only a title. Your landing page should literally have only these parts of it. So there is a title, then there is, after that, and under the title, usually you can use some kind of a subheadline, some kind of direction for the customer of what you want them to do or what they are going to get. Then there is the opt-in form where they leave their contact details, and after that there is the action button, or a call to action or a button. So when they click on it, they will submit the contact information to your email list, and they will go to the next step. Now, regarding the landing page, when you are using different things, you can look at the background of your landing page and use again simple color, and use one color of your landing page, because if you are using too many colors, two different colors, or maybe some illustration photographs and so on, it's not really the way how to build a high converting landing page, because it's just too much confusion, too much distractions for the customer. So they are more focused on those distractions than what you are offering them. So keep it very, very simple, clear, make it literally very clear for the customer of what you want them to do and what they are going to get from you, right? Now, it is very important to state clearly what are you offering them. So that should be literally in the headline or in the title of your landing page, and what you want them to do in order to receive it. And so, as it is a landing page or a capture page, you want them to leave you their contact details. So make it very clear of what you want them to do and what are they going to receive. Now, the next step is actually what is going to happen after they leave you the email address or contact details. What is going to happen after, basically the next step, after they click on the action button and they are going to be redirected to the next page, to the next step. What is going to happen? What are you going to offer them there? Are you going to send them straight to the sales page of some particular product? Or are you going to send them straight to something that you personally created, or you are offering them without any charge or anything like this? And if you think about it, many people are doing the same error, the same mistake, and that is sending people straight to the sales page. And that is literally why most of people, especially in affiliate marketing, are failing, because it just doesn't work. It's 95% of people in affiliate marketing are doing it this way, and that's why they are failing, because you gotta get into the mind of the customer. If you think about it, they are seeking some solution for their struggle or for their problem or whatever it is. They are seeking information. They're not seeking products to buy just yet, right? And so when they see your hook, when they see your offer, they are interested in this, so they want to learn more about this. So they click on your landing page. There is a headline of whatever it is that you're offering something for them, and you are asking them to basically leave you their email address or contact details or whatever it is, right? And so once they leave you the email address, they are expecting to get what you were offering them in the title, which means that particular information, that particular either concept or whatever it is that you're offering them, that information they're expecting it to receive after they leave you their email address. And when you are sending them straight to the sales page, you are basically asking them again for something, and you are asking them basically to buy and to spend their money in order to get that information that you have promised them in the first step. And that's why many people are struggling with this, and that's why people are not going to buy anything from you, because they don't want to buy at that first place. However, if you do just a little change, and that is in the step between your landing page and between the sales page, that you put something extra, an extra step into it, which will ensure that that the customer will receive what you were offering them in the first place on the landing page, then something magical happens. And that is just amazing. That is where you build a relationship with the customer, and you build the trust between you and them, and that's just amazing. That's when the sales are happening. So basically you gotta do something that is you deliver on your promise. So when you are offering something on your landing page, they are giving you their email address in exchange for this information, and you deliver this information after they opt into your email list, then that's basically you delivered on your promise. And that's literally what brings the customers to also buy from you in the later stages, and so on. And now the way how to basically deliver this promise or this information can be a very different. You can be creative with this. Many people do basically either an ebook they offer to download for these customers. Ebooks are very popular. Then a very popular and effective way how to deliver this kind of information or promise is to record yourself with a video, and that your face. And in this video you will talk about, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 minutes about a certain topic, about this promise that you were offering them, right? And so you give them this information, this value, and you record this video, you upload it, and you put it on that step next. And that's how you can deliver this information, this promise. And after the at the end of the video, you can literally ask them to tell them that, listen, if you want to learn more about this stuff and you want to check out where I got this information from, click the link below, and that can be literally the sales page when they click on it. And this is where the magic happens, guys. So literally it is about giving value to the people, and you gotta give them something in return for their email address. That's how you become successful with it. So let me just see if I've covered everything. Let me just see my notes. Yes, perfect. I think we've covered everything. So guys, this is how you build a high converting landing page, as well as a high converting process of selling. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope you got lots of value from this video. And listen, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, if you want to learn something more about this beautiful business, and if you want to learn how to implement this kind of strategy that we just talked about, and how to ensure that you will get leads and customers all day long, then I highly encourage you to click the link below in the description. There is the first link in the description, and you will get full access to my 4-day free video series where I give you information about affiliate marketing, and you will learn each day something new about this, and you will learn how to implement the strategy that really sells. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.